and boys, they look like Korean and they want to stay at home. Man, confused. The cold has increased. That's why, students, you have to pay attention towards your the warmth, how to maintain the warmth. You just think it. Manisha Thapa, where are you? So there must be also with the 10 students, but I can see 2, 5, 4, 9. Only Manisha Thapa is absent. Manisha Thapa?
Hajiro.
Hajiro, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, she's saying.
Sir, I'm here.
Samiksha, did you see her?
Or net problem, I think, sir.
No, sir.
Then she's saying I'm present. And
Sir,
Samuel,
I'm already doing video.
do
Oh yeah, now I saw.
No, I also saw.
it comes this one black ball is present today. I think she is Saurika.
Yes, sir, that
Yes.
light is gone, no, sir, so. It's
Light is
been
gone.
little the. I also don't know
Then
what
how are
happened.
you reading?
Then how
Sir,
are
it
you?
always happens in my house.
It doesn't go Wi-Fi
Oh,
when
okay.
light is.
All right. So let's begin our lesson. And Rojan is showing his only head. Hey, Rojan, what happened? Pull it bit back. See, look at your friend. Your friends are more visible, but your head Jumra is visible. What is this? And did you see the video in my YouTube or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
I
light
like, I do
also.
like also.
Grade 9 1.
Yeah, grade 9.
Yeah.
Yesterday only I just
Yeah.
downloaded and kept over there. So don't worry. Now
Sir,
let's
light also.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Liked
I
also
do like
already.
also.
So okay. So students,
Too.
today with what we are going to discuss, I'm going to share the screen. The screen being shared. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What did you see?
Phylum, Annelida, Annelida,
Annelida.
and
Yesterday we discussed about the phylum Nemathelminthes. So earlier we discussed the phylum Platyhelminthes, and before that we discussed the phylum Coelenterata, and before that we discussed the phylum Porifera, isn't it? So today let's discuss about Annelida, some of the characteristics of Annelida and examples. So when we talk about Annelida, you have to keep in mind about two animals like earthworm, leaves. So these are the animals whom we are seeing time to time. That's why Annelida means earthworm, leaves are found in that phylum. So Annelida is taken from Greek word annulus, means ring. Okay, so these animals contain rings. So look, in the diagram you can see small ring-like structures. Many rings are present here. So, dear students, one thing you have to keep in mind, we are discussing the important characteristics only. We are not studying only common. Those studying common is not so much good. We'll read few characteristics, but very concrete characteristics of those animals. Number one. What the first point? First point is
They are mostly aquatic and some are terrestrial. Leech is an ectoparasite, while the earthworm is a free living animal.
null which is given, but let's do this one. Second point. See here, these animals have cylindrical, segmented, and elongated body. This is First characteristic. Did you mark in your book? These animals have
Yes, sir.
cylindrical, segmented and elongated body. Cylindrical, like a cylinder, like a pencil.
Excuse me, sir.
Please tell me.
You can add on who's also he told.
Anuj Pajiar?
Yes, sir.
No, he has to join the calendar. He has to join from calendar. Why is he not joining?
I don't know.
Because he has to come. I had asked his dad, that's why he is joining today. Before that, he was in bindas condition, right?
Yes.
Oh, I also heard that
What did you hear?
from the school calling to parents why
Why
student are not
not joining?
coming.
My goodness.
Yes, that's effective, sir.
Otherwise, parents are thinking that their kids are studying, and students are busy in YouTube and Facebook and Messenger and Instagram, right?
No,
And
sir. Free
Yes.
Fire and PUBG.
and Free Fire and
Sir,
PUBG.
he joined in that, but it told that Teams needs permission and what here is.
Not permission. Yeah, yeah. Has he joined in any class earlier?
No.
No.
Then that means he has not made the what to say his account. He mightn't have downloaded his account. Not
Sir,
made
he
the
told he's calling you, but he's calling in you personal.
my personal means what? Now he's also not there. Where has he gone? Now I called him.
Right.
He's not there. So he's not reading. No, he said that he told to his parents that he's reading regularly, but we haven't seen him regularly.
Ah,
Here also another person I can see, Subeksha Gurung. After a long vacation, I can see her. And her father also saying, sir, my daughter is reading from 10 to 4, fat. But in my period, yes or no? Reading means taking the mobile and then looking the screen very nicely. No communication, just typing session. Very bad habit, eh? Remember. Anuj Pajiar, did you join? Where are you?
Yes, he joined, I think.
Anuj? Hello, Anuj.
he might be not there, sir.
Produce sound, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
He's no, he's I saw I
Where is
hear
he?
his voice.
I'm present, sir. Sir, not
He
hearing
already
anything. I
came.
will wear earphone.
He already came.
Yeah, use earphone, use headphone, no problem, but you be visible. Without being visible,
Yes, sir.
you are Anuj or somebody.
Yes, I'm Anuj, sir.
Where are you?
I'm in Gaon, sir.
Gaon, but you come in this screen.
Yes. That's him.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay.
When you are missing the class every day, and you are telling your parents that you are attending the class, is it?
No.
Your father was saying same thing?
Yes.
Yes, no, what are you saying?
Yes, sir.
You have to be regular for your class, isn't that?
Here will be no electricity, sir.
Not
It
there
will
be
cut.
don't worry. So charge your mobile and fatafat you be present. Every day the matter will not be same.
Yes, sir. But here I am keeping Wi-Fi, sir.
Therefore, okay, first of all be present.
Okay,
Make
sir.
a video on.
Okay.
To make the video on, it takes long time. Then what can you do in future? Huh? Who is this?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, camera is not clear, sir. That's why.
Now you are a little bit visible. It is okay. But you have to be
Yes.
visible yourself, right? Because those who do not become visible, I don't teach them. That is my system. Now
Okay,
12,
sir.
4, 3, 7, 10, 13. 13 students are present. Okay, let's go to our lesson. We are discussing about phylum Annelida, and Anuj be present in all classes, right?
Okay, sir.
First characteristic we discuss. Next thing is they respire through their skin. Okay, so Annelida respire through their skin. Next important characteristic is they move from one place to another with the help of seta. Look at here, S-E-T-A, seta or parapodia. They are locomotory organs. It means we move with the help of our limbs. But these animals, these Annelida, move from one place to another using seta. Please underline in your book seta or parapodia. You can write in your copy also as well, no problem. So students, don't worry. So from today onwards, again I will download such video and it will be uploaded in the YouTube. So whenever you have got free time, you can check it what it was taught and you can do well. Okay. Now students, next point is here. How many characteristics of Annelida are discussed? 3. There is cylindrical, segmented and elongated body, respire through skin, and move with the help of seta or parapodia. And next important characteristic is there. What is that? Nephridia. Nephridia are present only in Annelida. They excrete, they throw out waste materials from nephridia. And next one is they are hermaphrodites. What do you mean by hermaphrodites? Students, can you say? What do you mean by hermaphrodites? Hermaphrodite means in the same organism there is male part as well as female part. They are also called bisexual. In the same organism, if there is male part as well as female part, that is called hermaphrodite. Okay, remember. And examples are earthworm, leaves, etc. Diagrams. Now, students, that is all about Annelida. So we are going to discuss about arthropoda. Arthropoda. Arthropoda means those animals which contain jointed foot. Jointed foot. Okay, jointed foot. And these animals, arthropods, are a maximum in number among all the phyla. Arthropoda phyla, or the arthropoda contains maximum number of animals in comparison to other phyla, and arthropoda are found in air, water and land. Air, water and land. So here, what are the examples of arthropoda? Bee, silk moth, etc. Bee, silk moth, mite, fly, and next lovely is also there. Especially girls, they afraid with it. That is cockroach. Cockroach. And if you do not bath for a long time, then it will attack in your head. That is Jumra, louse. And sometimes when there is still food, automatically one black organism comes. House fly, that also belongs to arthropoda. And if you do not clean your house for some days, then another animal attacks. It is
Spider.
spider. And if you go in water there is another type of animal. I think that Anuj is experiencing. Crab. You know crab? Have you seen crab or not? So crab also
Yes,
belongs
sir.
to arthropoda. Okay. So please remember those things. And now what is here?
Sir, have you eaten crab chutney?
Crab chutney. Actually, one thing remember, when
Yeah.
I was there in Japa,
Yes,
some
sir.
people they said, okay, let's have crab, gangata. Actually, in Nepali they say gangata. I said, no, 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 we should not eat gangata. But the people who used to eat, they say, so tasty, tasty, yummy, yummy gangata. I don't know how is it, Anuj?
Yes, sir. Yes, tasty, sir.
It is tasty, but the
Yes, sir.
gongata bite is also tasty, isn't it? When the gongata bites using the those strong hands, then does it pain or not?
Yes, sir.
Definitely it pains. Pratifal Papanga is absent today. Where has he gone?
Don't know, sir.
He might be busy.
He might be busy.
Who is he?
His
You were
friend.
saying that his net is lagging today, so I think his internet came.
Oh.
Lagging.
Students, now discuss. Let's discuss the characteristics of arthropoda. Number one, their body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Can you hear? Their body is divided
Yes,
into
sir.
head, thorax, and abdomen. Number second, they have pairs of jointed legs. They have pairs of jointed legs, and they have wings also. They have wings also. And here, their body, their outside of the body is a bit hard, which is called exoskeleton. Inside is short, but outside is little bit hard. So their body contains exoskeleton. And next one is their life cycle completes in 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Dear students, did you hear what I say? I said 4 characteristics of arthropoda.
Yes, sir.
What is the first characteristic?
Their body is segmented and
Body is
divided
divided
into
into
three
head,
parts.
thorax, and abdomen. That's right. Number second.
They have usually three pairs of jointed legs and two pairs of wings.
Yeah, they have usually 3 pairs of jointed legs and 2 pairs of wings, but some arthropods they have got 4 pairs of legs also. Some they have many pairs of legs, and some they have wings, some they don't have. Like cockroach, no sorry, crab. Has crab got wings? Anuj.
No,
No, sir. No, no.
No. But butterfly has got wings.
yeah.
Butterfly has got wings. And mustard also has got wings, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so remember. And scorpion, has it got wings?
Don't.
No.
It has no wings. Most of them have got wings and 3 pairs of legs, but some they don't have. Next characteristic.
Their
Next.
body is
Their life
covered.
cycle completes in 4 phases:
Okay, life
egg,
cycle.
larva,
Egg, larva, pupa, and adult.
adult.
Okay. And the last number
They
is
have compound eyes and
they have compound eyes and
feelers.
feelers. Here I have to say they have compound eyes. What do you mean by compound eyes? Compound eyes means their eye contains many lenses. Okay, their eye contains many lenses. In our eye, there is only one lens. Right eye, one lens. Left eye, one lens. But in case of this one, what you say, arthropoda, they have compound eyes. In one eye, there are many lenses. So when they use compound eye, they can see small thing also very big. Very big. This thing you have to keep in mind. Okay. And which animals belong to arthropoda? Crab, crayfish, grasshopper, housefly, centipede, scorpion, etc. So, crab, crayfish, grasshopper, housefly, centipede, scorpion, these are arthropoda. Students, one thing you have to keep in mind, arthropoda is divided into 4 classes, but we are not discussing those 4 classes. But those 4 classes are Crustacea, Myriapoda, Arachnida, Insecta, isn't it? So simply you have to read or learn the characteristic of arthropoda. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, students, we will be discussing next phylum. What is the next phylum? Can you say?
Mollusca.
Next phylum is
Crustacea.
Mollusca. Number 7. Next phylum is Mollusca. Okay. Here we have to know Mollusca is derived from Latin word mollis. Please look at here. Latin word mollis. Mollis means soft. Mollis means soft. Means their body is very, very soft. Okay. And here are some characteristics that we are going to discuss. Number 1, they have a soft body. They have a soft body and their body is covered with calcareous shell. Calcareous shell means a bit hard part made up of calcium carbonate. Have you seen snail?
Yes, sir.
Snail.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen whelk?
Yes, sir.
WHELK, whelk?
Not
Okay.
big but small
Now,
angel.
students, listen. Do you worship at home?
Yes, sir.
And
No,
some of
sir.
you hunter, ding 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 ding. And in some place, one person they do doing the sangha. Have you seen sangha or not?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
In English, sangha is called whelk. WHELK. Actually,
Well,
yeah, inside that hollow structure there was animal. The animal died, and the sangha is left. That is the outer covering of dead animal. And
that must be snail.
yeah, that is not snail, that is whelk. That not snail, that is a whelk,
Oh,
another animal. And students, have you seen those people playing chaka, panja, chauka like that?
that one, Ludo.
Not Ludo. Jua. Have you seen those people playing Jua or not?
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir.
Kaura.
No, sir.
Not Longur Burja, not Longur Burja. There are around 16 items, 16 Kaura. Like that. That is also
Oh, what happened, sir?
The sound is coming. Why? Sound must not come. Why? Okay. Okay. Again, sound is coming from there. Yes. Those who make sound, I can make them mute. I'm very powerful, remember? So those caudas are also of the hard covering of mollusca. Here in mollusca, we have to remember those animals like snail, octopus, dendalium, cuttlefish, slug, titan, unio, etc. So basically, you have to remember, if you remember snail, octopus, that is enough. And next one, have you seen slug? Students, have you seen slug?
No, sir.
Not seen? Slug means Ciplekira.
Oh, seen, sir.
Ciplekira, right? That also belongs to which group?
Mollusca.
Mollusca.
Their body is very soft. Okay. Now characteristics we are going to discuss. Characteristics are already said, soft body with calcareous cell. Next important thing is their body is divided into three parts. One is head, visceral mass, and foot. Head is here, and here is visceral mass, soft body. Actually, I think this, where is Anuj? Anuj, have you eaten that one? It's like small snail. What do you call it? Do they eat or not?
No.
No, they eat in Tarai. Very small snail. I forgot his name.
What kind of snail?
Gungi.
Gongi.
Have you eaten or not?
Yes, sir, gongi.
Yeah, Gungi also looks similar to snail. Eh? Outer part is a bit hard,
Sir,
made up
small,
of
small.
a small one.
Yes.
And
Black,
can
black,
we
black
eat the
one.
hard part or soft part?
Soft part.
Soft part we and the hard part we throw it out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that Gungi, can it move from one place to another?
No.
So that hard part, can we break easily?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So anyway, soft part is very soft, which is covered by hard. And here we have to remember, in the body of mollusca, there are three parts. What are they? Head, visceral mass, and muscular foot. Okay, three things. Next one is, in the head, there is mouth and tentacles and sense organs. Remember, in the head there is head, mouth, tentacle, and sense organ. This is the head. Here is mouth. Somewhere else, where is mouth? Here. And here tentacles and sense organs. And next thing we have to say, they are unisexual. Students, what do you mean by unisexual?
Having both male and female.
Having both male and female reproduction system.
Hermaphrodite.
Done.
Hermaphrodite. No, that's very bad.
Yes,
Hermaphrodite.
yes. Very bad.
Same animal, there is male and female. Unisexual means in one animal there is either male or female only. Like we are unisexual. So in our body there is either male part or female part. But we discussed earlier about Annelida. In earthworm there is male part as well as female part. So that is called hermaphrodite. Please make your concept clear, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So that is all about Annelida. Now, students, we are discussing last question. What is that? Echinodermata. So Echinodermata, what is given the first characteristic? Actually, this is the animal that belongs to Echinodermata, starfish. So how many characteristics are given? Okay, will you read the first characteristic of Echinodermata?
The body is covered with
Body is
spiny
covered
skin,
with
which is
fine
made up
skin
of
made of calcareous
calcareous cell.
Okay.
cells.
So here, in case of Echinodermata, their skin is a bit spiny, pointed, and that pointed structure is made up of calcareous cell, means calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. That point is very important. Now, second point. Saurika, will you read second point?
Their body may be made. eh, Their body may be starred like elegant and glorious, or like a flower.
So their body is like a star or like a flower. Look at this starfish. Its body is like a star. Okay. So that is also important. Please underline it. One, their body is covered with spiny skin, which is made up of calcareous cell or calcium carbonate. Second point is their body shape is like star or flower. And next point is there they have distinct head.
Yes.
What is given? Will you read?
They do not have a distinct head.
They do not have distinct head. That is also important characteristic. Please underline. Subeksha, you underline it. Oh, Subeksha, why are you looking side by side? Don't talk.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, how many points are read?
3, sir.
Three. Now, one more point. Who is going to read? Samuel. Samuel,
Yes.
please read.
The body is divided into oral lower and oral upper sides.
Their body is divided into oral and Samiksha, will you read?
Yes, sir.
Please read. Their body is
Their Sorry, sir.
and point number 4.
The body is divided into oral, lower, and alveolar upper sides.
Yeah. Upper sides. Oral means here oral means near to mouth, back side and upper side. In this way, their body is divided. Okay. Look at here this one. So, or you can remember next thing. It is given here. They possess tube-like feet. Did you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are tube-like feet. And with the help of tube-like feet, they can move from one place to another. What are the examples? Starfish,
Sea cucumber, sea lily, sea urchin,
sea urchin, and seal,
sea
cucumber.
cucumber.
These are the examples of Echinodermata. Okay, students. So, how many phyla did we discuss today?
2.
8.
Today,
8
2,
today?
2, sir.
No, 2.
Annelida,
Mollusca, no.
Arthropoda,
4.
Mollusca, and
4.
Dermata. Now,
I think
Sumi will read the characteristics of Annelida. Prasanna will read the characteristics of Arthropoda. Vipassana will read the characteristics of and Mollusca, and Anuj will read the characteristics of Echinodermata. Sumi Thapa, your turn now. Sumi Thapa. She ran away. So what have you studied there? Then the duty goes to Manisha Thapa. Your Anilda.
Which?
Characteristics. Anilda is half number.
Yeah, 5.
Is it?
Yes, sir, 5.
Okay, please read.
Different book.
Yeah, so okay, then Pooja was there. Where is Pooja? Ran away. Subeksha, your turn.
Their body is cylindrical, segmented, and elongated body. They have moist skin through which they respire. Locomotory organs are called statid or parapodia. The digestive system is complete and blood vascular system is closed. The excretory system, nervous system are developed. They are usually hermaphrodites, while a few of them are unisexual. Example: Orthopodia, leech, sandworm, etc.
Good. Now who's turn?
Mine.
Okay, come on.
The body is usually divided into head, throat, and abdomen. They have jointed legs and may have 2 pairs of wings. The body is covered with exoskeleton. They have compound eyes and ciliars. Their head, example, butterfly, spider, etc.
Good. Now who's turn?
My turn.
Okay, come on.
Mollusca, they have a soft body which is usually covered with calcareous shell. Their body is divisible into head, mantle, visceral mass, and foot. The head bears mouth, tentacles, and sense organs. They have a well-developed organ system like digestive system, respiratory system. They are usually unisexual and have their life cycle is complete. Their body is triploblastic, bilaterally asystematical and unsegmented. For example, snail, octopus, cuttlefish, slug, Ceton, union, etc.
Good. Now who's turn?
Mine, sir, mine.
Okay.
The body is covered with spiny skin, which is made of calcareous shell.
So continue.
Whose turn now?
Continue.
Continue. All?
How many points did you read?
1 point, sir.
Only 1 point. You have to read all discuss point.
Their body may be star-like, elongated, and glabrous, or like a flower, etc. They don't have a distinct head. The body is divided into overall lower and overall upper side. The mouth is situated on the overall side, and the anus on the overall side.
Good. And next one. How do they move from one place to another? How do they move from one place to another? By the help of 2 feet. So their locomotory organs are 2 feet. They can move easily. Okay. So dear students, what did we discuss today? Could you remember?
Yes, sir.
The animal kingdom, 4 phyla, and did you get the homework?
Yes.
No, sir. No.
Did you check the homework?
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
Homework
No.
is directly come.
no, sir, it's not coming.
Check it.
Keep
Because
checking, it is not there.
I have already kept the homework over there.
Yes,
So-
there is only your photo, sir.
Yeah, no, homework, it comes in your this thing,
Assignment.
an assignment.
Oh,